Good evening, everyone, and a very happy new year to all of you. Tonight, we are about to witness something very special. They come from different ages, different mindsets, and different playlists. One believes in wisdom, one believes in responsibility, one believes in dreams, one believes in trends, and one believes in chocolate. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as this family shows us how 5 generations, one heart, come together to celebrate love, laughter, and life.
Panoorin mo na si Ate. Nanalo ka una.
Hindi kami tubig, hanggang sa cellphone. Hindi kayo muna taga na wifi, taga kuhan. Kalau sila, sa cellphone. Okay mo yan.
Siya may tipigat, mukhang na dyan yung opisina. Labi. Lagi nalanak talaga ng utak. Tama lagi di kambalay ko. Uri nagulo kami, nalagsak kami latang pamilya.
Kanya mo generasyon ko, full of hustle, big dreams, yeah, the savings, loading. Pero, gaputi pamilya, naragsak kami lakta. Si kamad siya, generasyon ko, lots of homeworks, responsibilities, at syempre stress din. Yes, that's my life. Naiintindihan ko. Pero no kailangan ko titulong when I need help, they're always there, my family. So, I can say that love, freedom, and fun equals my family.
Ako naman, I might be the smallest, but I have the biggest family. They make me laugh, they protect me, and they love me. My family is my superpower.
Always there for each other, kinaya natin together. Forever, forever, family is forever. Inside